What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to another video. In this video I want to talk about the derivative of cotangent x. As you know, cotangent x equals to cosine x over sine x. And we know the derivative of sine x is cosine x. And derivative of cosine x is going to be negative sine x. So, using these two formulas, we can find out the derivative of cotangent x is going to be cosine x over sine x. For the rational function, which is u over v prime, is going to be the derivative of numerator times denominator minus numerator times derivative of the denominator over denominator squared. So that's going to be u prime, which is going to be cosine squared prime. That's negative sine x. V is sine x in this case, because that's the one in denominator, minus u, which in this case is cosine x, times derivative of v, which in this case is denominator, that's derivative of sine x, which is cosine x, over denominator squared, which is sine squared x. That will be negative sine squared x minus cosine squared x over sine squared x. We can factor negative. It's going to be sine squared x plus cosine squared x over sine squared x. When you separate them, it's going to be negative sine squared x over sine squared x minus cosine squared x over sine squared x. So that's going to be negative 1 minus cotangent, because cosine over sine is cotangent, so it's going to be cotangent squared x. Or you can say negative, you can factor negative 1 plus cotangent squared x. That's one answer. Another answer will be from here. You have negative sine x, sine squared x plus cosine squared x divided by sine x. Sine squared x plus cosine squared x is always equals to 1. So it's going to be negative 1 over sine squared. Or you can, 1 over sine is cosecant. So that's going to be negative cosecant squared. So any of these three formats is going to be the answer. Either negative 1 plus cotangent squared x, negative cosecant squared x, or negative 1 over sine squared x. So these are different forms of derivative of cotangent x. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. I will leave some related videos in the description in case you need extra practice questions. Thank you for watching and have a great day.